To the crime scene now, the police say they are hotly pursuing 3 triggermen behind a gun attack in Rocky Point, Clarendon on Monday evening. 2 women, a mother and daughter, were shot and killed in the incident, while a third person, a young fisherman, was also seriously wounded. Details in this report from Rashida Walker.
Armed men opened fire on a group of people in Rocky Point late Monday evening, shattering the peace that has held in the community, and the process also tore apart the lives of the family members of 60-year-old fish vendor Norma Spence and her daughter 41-year-old Carrie-Ann Scott. A 24-year-old fisherman was also injured in the daring gun attack.
The reports so far indicate that all 3 persons were at a bar with other patrons when 3 men armed with handguns entered and fired several shots in their direction. The men later fled the area on foot.
On Tuesday, the leadership of the JCF's Area 3 and Clarendon police met with residents, a mission aimed at reassuring the people. Already work has started to put together the case against the 3 gunmen who carried out the daring attack.
We have commenced a serious investigation. We have the Major Investigation Division that will be treating with this investigation, and if you observe, you'd notice that the full management team and support teams from Area 3, they are also here to give some support. As it is now, the residents within Rocky Point must anticipate that there will be increased police activities in this community.
Rocky Point, a fishing-dependent town, has had its fair share of issues leading up to 2024, with attacks linked to the guns for drugs, guns for meat, and other illicit trades. But the area has recorded marked improvements in the last 12 months, gains the police say they will not relinquish to criminal elements.
We will not allow criminals to take away the peace and joy that we have enjoyed last year, because Clarendon did very well last year. In fact, when I inquired about the stats for Rocky Point also came in with some reductions in murders and shootings over last year. And we would not want to lose that gain for 2026.
The gun attack in Rocky Point Monday means 3 women have now been killed in Clarendon within 24 hours under violent circumstances.
We really condemn this level of violence, especially against our female, and we will continue to give the community the support. We'll be doing a walkthrough to, reassure the community of our presence and continued support.
Rashida Walker for TVJ News.